जय विजय एवरीवन। शुभं करोति कल्याणं आरोग्यं धनसम्पदा शत्रुबुद्धिविनाशाय दीपं ज्योति नमोस्तुते। दीपं ज्योति नमोस्तुते। दीपं ज्योति नमोस्तुते। इस श्लोक का अर्थ है, जो शुभ करता है, कल्याण करता है, आरोग्य रखता है, धन संपदा करता है और शत्रु बुद्धि का विनाश करता है, ऐसे दीप यानी दीपक की रोशनी को मैं नमन करता हूँ।
Hello children, today we are going to learn exercises of SS chapter 3. The name of the chapter is Kolkata. So let's start with that. First one is progress milestone. First one, true or false है? The French made Kolkata as the capital of India in 1911. No, it's wrong. Second one, Kolkata is the most populous metropolitan city in India. No, it's also wrong. Third one, tram is a popular mode of transport in Kolkata. Yes, it is right. Fourth one, Howrah Bridge is over river Ganga. No, it is wrong. Howrah Bridge river Ganga पर नहीं है, वो river हुगली पर है. So it is wrong. Now let's practice exercise question A. Multiple choice questions. First one, Kolkata is located on the east bank of river. Answer is B. Hooghly. Second one, the language spoken by the people of Kolkata is. Answer is A. Bengali. Next page. Third one, the most important festival celebrated in Kolkata is. Answer is C. Durga Puja. Fourth one, the climate of Kolkata is. Answer is C. Moderate. Fifth one, Kolkata is the capital of. Kolkata किसका capital है? West Bengal का. So answer is B. West Bengal. Sixth one, the famous dash is situated in Kolkata. Answer is A. Howrah Bridge. Next page. Question B. Fill in the blanks. First one, Bengali women commonly wear dash saris. Second one, the botanical garden is known for its dash trees. Answer is banyan trees. Third one, the British made Kolkata the dash of India. Answer is first capital. Fourth one, metro and dash are popular modes of transport of Kolkata. So answer is trams. Fifth one, Durga Puja is the most important festival in Kolkata. Answer is festival. Sixth one, dash provides electricity to Kolkata city. Answer is the West Bengal State Electricity Board, WBSEB. Now question C, match the columns. First one, KMC matches with E, provide drinking water. Second one, Shanti Niketan matches with F, educational institutions. Third one, Millennium Park matches with B, amusement park. Fourth one, Chauringi matches with G, center of entertainment. Fifth one, City Center matches with D, shopping mall. Sixth one, WBSEB matches with C, electricity. And seventh one, banyan tree matches with A, botanical garden. Next is answer the following questions. First one, describe in brief the climate and location of Kolkata. Kolkata का climate and location describe करना है. So the answer is Kolkata experiences moderate climate because it is situated on the bank of ocean. This type of climate is not very hot and cold. Moderate climate का मतलब होता है not very hot, not very cold. Kolkata is located on the banks of river Hooghly in West Bengal. वेस्ट बंगाल में हुगली रिवर के किनारे कोलकाता लोकेटेड है. सेकेंड क्वेश्चन, विच यूटिलिटी सर्विसेज आर प्रोवाइडेड टू द पीपल ऑफ कोलकाता. कोलकाता के पीपल को कौन सी यूटिलिटी सर्विसेज प्रोवाइड की जाती है? आंसर इज वाटर सप्लाई इज डन बाय KMC, कोलकाता म्यूनिसिपल कॉरपोरेशन. द इलेक्ट्रिसिटी सप्लाई इज प्रोवाइडेड बाय WBSEB, West Bengal State Electricity Board. Public transport is provided by Kolkata Suburban Railway. Next is question number 3. Write a short note on the culture and food of Kolkata. Answer is culture. Kolkata has rich cultural tradition of folk dance and classical dance forms. Food. The main food items include rice, fish curry, rasgulla, sandesh, mishti doi as desserts. Most common street food is काठी रोल and पुचका. कल्चर के बारे में अगर बोले तो कोलकाता का कल्चर एकदम रिच है. वहाँ का फोक डांस एंड क्लासिकल डांस फॉर्म्स बहुत ही पॉपुलर है. फूड के बारे में अगर बताएं तो राइस एंड फिश करी आर देयर स्टेपल फूड. Rasgulla, Sandesh and Misty Doi are their desserts. And most common street food is Kathi roll and Puchka. Now fourth one. Name 2 famous amusement parks, shopping malls and markets of Kolkata. So answer is amusement parks. First one Millennium Park and second one Science City. Shopping malls, first one Forum Mall and second one Garia Hut Mall. Markets, first one Fancy Market and second one AC Market. Now which are the famous monuments and places of Kolkata? Answer. Famous monuments are Howrah Bridge and Victoria Memorial. Places are Eden Garden, Alipur Zoo, Shantiniketan and National Library. So here we end up with all the exercises of Kolkata. Again we will meet with some new learnings. Till then, stay home, stay safe. Have a nice day, kids. Thank you and bye-bye.